Luis, we're doing a windshield on this Chevy Tahoe 23. So I'm tired. I want to go home, okay? So I'm using my unknown tool. No moves this time. It's gonna be just one time cut, okay? So let's do it. I want to go home. I'm tired. Let's go fast. Okay, it's no more angle. Remember, the only you have to do is turn around the tool. We're making the cut. Nice. Sunshine. That's it. Now, let's make a cut. It's a little more difficult, but you gotta keep the line straight without touch the brackets or wires or something. Make sure you avoid the headliner. There you go, the clip. Careful with those pins, sometimes they pop. Last time one hit me my forehead and they make me bleed, believe it or not. And we finished the cut. There you go, papaya is a liar. And that's it, guys. This is the one time, no moves. Always right here. Remember, every time you do the job, you can just use the tool to make the turn around and finish the job. Okay, guys? Thank you so much and see you next time. Okay, guys, let's go to put the glass on now. Oh yeah. Okay. In. Oh yeah, baby. Let's gonna get this one done and let's go home, guys. I'm done. I'm tired. I don't want to talk even with you guys. I'm kidding, I'm tired today. You know what? I'm gonna make another setting system. I don't want to lift the glasses anymore. I'm older more. Every year I'm more older. Never. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Ay, no, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. There you go, guys. Okay, guys. So we finished. Remember, we used the unknown tool, no move today, and that's it. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend, guys. It's Friday, so we go home. Everybody's leaving, and me too. Thanks so much. Bless you.